Suzuki Leeds is proud to present for sale this beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.4 automatic S. I'll walk you around the vehicle and show you around. I hope you enjoyed the video. The vehicle is in excellent condition. The vehicle has front sensors to help with your everyday driving. Being the Vitara S model, the special edition, this vehicle has a rugged pack fitted on with front mouldings, side mouldings to protect the doors if you're shopping or going into a tight car parking space. The vehicle alloys are in unmarked, excellent condition. Black alloys, giving it a nice contrast with the white body. Black side mouldings, again to match the alloys. Chrome roof bar to match. We've got chrome mirrors. The vehicle has a full service history. Comes with a nice spoiler, just to give it a nice finish. The vehicles had also added a bumper guard to protect you if you're putting your suitcases, dogs, or anything else. Just to show you inside the boot. This vehicle has a boot space of 375 litres, plenty of room to get your suitcases and shopping in. This vehicle also has a keyless entry for the boot, just in case if you've got your both hands full, so you just press the button and lets you in. Being the Vitara S model, this also comes with a four-wheel drive system. Easy to use. Exterior, again, as mentioned, excellent condition. We also have keyless entry for the main door. Just to show you the inside of the vehicle, we have half leather, half suede, red stitching to give it a nice finish. Inside the dash, we have some red rings. Cruise control to keep you within the speed limit. Integrated volume controls. Climate control, a full automatic gearbox, easy to use, and we've got the four-wheel drive option there. So we've got snow for extra grip, we've got automatic so it works out intelligent as and when it's required, and also a lock option and a sport option. For infotainment, we've got DAB digital radio for a long distance range, Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, satellite navigation to keep you to get to your destination on time. This vehicle's only covered 20,000 miles, just over 20,000 miles. Prior to leaving the showroom, this vehicle will have a full service, full 12 months MOT. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you'd like any questions, or if you'd like any questions answered, or would like to have a test drive, or would like to arrange a viewing, please feel free to give us a call, drop us an email. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you soon. Thank you.